Welcome back, everyone. We are back in my kitchen here at Señora Martinez. So this is, to me, one of the most soulful dishes you can think of. Matzo ball soup is not only something that, we make in the home if someone doesn't feel well, but it's also for holidays, but it's really for any time. I mean, who doesn't love a good pot of matzo ball soup? It's just warming to the soul. So let's get started. We're going to make our own matzo balls, and the broth, however you like it. You can buy it, you can make it. It's totally up to you. So here I have some eggs that are already whisked up. The best part of this matzo ball recipe to me is the fact that I use chicken fat, which is also called schmaltz. Chicken fat is the best, and if you can find some or just make some when you're rendering your next chicken, it saves in the fridge or in the freezer forever. So pour in that chicken fat, and if you don't want to use chicken fat, then you can use some nice grapeseed oil or vegetable oil. It's up to you. Then I'm going to add some baking powder to make those things fluffy, a little bit of kosher salt, again whisking, and finally the matzah meal, which is the matzah flour, right? So let's pour that in all at once, and using a rubber spatula, mix it together. So once that's all combined, go ahead and add the seltzer water. So sparkling water combining with the baking powder is super powerful, right? And what it does is make a fluffier matzo ball. All right, so we're going to pretend that we're putting these in the fridge for 30 minutes, setting them aside. But for TV's sake, we're just going to go ahead and make some. So I have simmering chicken stock or chicken broth right here. I love when there are a ton of sliced carrots in my chicken soup, so I'm going to add those. Go ahead and start forming your matzo balls and plopping them in. Once you're finished forming all of the batter, what you'll do is cover it and let it simmer for a good 20 to 25 minutes. And what you will get will be this. And I just added some fresh dill to this beautiful soup. Let's serve ourselves up some so you can see what it looks like. So my matzo balls, as you can see, I love them when they're not too big and not too small. Lots of carrots, lots of dill, and a whole lot of love. These are very, very light and fluffy matzo balls, the way that I like it. Enjoy, slurp it up, and let that just kiss your soul.